So hey, what it do people? This is your girl Alethea coming in with another video. And in this video, I get ready. Kinda don't know what I talked about because I was kinda all over the place. But at any rate, if you want to hear the shenanigans I did talk about in this video, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so I just came in to record a video. I just felt like recording a video. I've actually done my primer, all that good jazz, and I'm now to my color correcting. And you all know I color correct the darkness under my eyes. I hate that I have darkness under my eyes, but there's nothing that I can do about it. Been that way pretty much all my life. And if you've been on my channel, you know I have darkness under my eyes. And I can tell y'all this, I don't know, but for some reason, when I'm recording, it's like it's amplified. It's not as deep in real life for whatever reason, and maybe I need some different lights so that you all can see, but for whatever reason, it is amplified here when I record. But anyway, let me show y'all something real quick, and this is not a haul video, and I don't even know what I'm gonna talk about in this video. I just decided to turn the camera on, but I got a mini set of products from Smiley. And they were on sale for like $25 recently, and the mini set included this Smiley volcanic elixir. And I will tell y'all, this elixir was not for me. I did not care for how it smells, but these other three products that were in the kit with it as well, I do like these. Hence, I'm about to show you all, I got 3 full-size bottles of these products. Now, these things are like $54 for a single one, but I got all 3 of them for $90 because Smiley had a sale one day. So it came with the rose gold elixir, and I just put this on at night. I would never put this on in the daytime, but it has, let me shake it up so you can see what I'm about to show you. But it has these little gold flexes of something in there. Can you see that? That wasn't in the smaller one, the sample one. Those little gold flexes were not in the sample one. And then this right here I put on before I do my moisturizer, if I'm doing moisturizer, because I kind of use this for a moisturizer, or I double moisturize because it is winter time. And while I do have combination skin, it is winter time. And this one is the Skin Tune Blur, the Perfecting Primer Serum. I put this on right before my primer or right with my primer, and I really do like that. So for my primer today, I did use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Now, I have been using this one right here, and this one is the Pro Filter Mattifying Primer, and I think I'm going to get another one of these when Sephora, yeah, I fell into the thing of buying something for $50 to get the 20% off later. So yeah, I have that. So I will have a 50% for Smiley coming, not for Smiley, but Sephora coming. So after the last Get Ready With Me I made, I was talking about how my foundation color was not working out right. And you all know I did do the 385 during the summertime because the 385 did match my neck better than my face per se. But the 385 is like, it was too dark then, but it's like really, it's definitely too dark now. So what I'm doing now is mixing my 350, and no, I'm sorry, this is my 350 and this is my 360. And as you can see, my 350 is in the old formula, and I say old formula because you can see this one is runny, but this one is not. So they thickened it up some kind of way. But I put most of the 360 on my face, and then I add the 350. Y'all, it's hot in here. I gotta go adjust my heat because I'm gonna burn up. I'll be right back. So for my concealer, I'm using my Milani concealers, and I have 2 of them. Well, actually I have 4 of them, but I'm using the 145 like for here to highlight a little bit, and under my eye eyes. I have 2 of them. I'm using 150. So anyway, when I tried that 360 and that 350 foundation, I went on Fenty's website because I know they have the like the 380, 385, 390. So I went on there to see if they had a 355, and they don't, but I think that would be the perfect color. If 355 was a combination of 360 and 350, that would be the perfect color. So let me pull this up just a little bit. I'm using a different kind of gel, and the gel that I'm using now on my hair, it doesn't cause build up like the Eco Styler gel did, but it does not hold my hair down like the Eco Styler gel did. It wants to make it my edges curl up, which the Eco Styler gel would combat that for me, but this one doesn't. So I'm just gonna have to work with it, because like I said, the Eco Styler would cause buildup, and don't nobody have time for buildup. Don't nobody have time for that. So anyway, so today I did kind of style my hair. It's just like in 2 twists. It's nothing big, no big deal, but I've been walking around with my hair, wearing my hair down, because someone did ask me, and I think I mentioned it in the last video, as to why I always put my hair up. And I don't know if I commented on it in the video, but just in case I didn't, the reason why I usually put my hair up is because I feel like my hair frames my face better. I don't know, it may just be me. It may be me and how I feel, but I feel like when my hair is down, it just makes my face look fuller. Especially if I've gained a couple of pounds, which, as I said in the last video, I told y'all I gained a couple of pounds, but I am doing so much better. Today will be day 4. I'm not gonna say if, because once today ends, it will be day 4 of no sweets. So that is a good thing. But like I was saying, I picked up weight, and my face is one of the first places that I pick up weight in. So yeah, I could tell it. I can tell it in my face, but when I have my hair down, I just think it makes my face look a little bit fuller and rounder, which my face is round anyway, you know what I mean? But when my hair is up, my hair is down, it just seems like it makes it look fuller. But when it's up, it seems like it slims out my face some. And like I said, it could be my imagination, could be a figment of my imagination. That may not be true, but that's just how I feel. Now, do you see my angel tree back there? I'll show her from a different angle. Maybe not in this video, but I will show her from a different angle. But that tree came from Big Lots, and it's because of the creative lady, Napalicious TV, that I know about that tree. She shared it on her channel, and I am so glad. As YouTubers, I know y'all do it just like I do it. Sometimes we'll see where somebody has bought something and we want it as well because, you know, we think it's cute or we like it or whatever the case may be. And sometimes we just flat out don't buy things. And I've gotten a lot of recommendations here on YouTube, and some recommendations I'm telling you that it's like when I buy them, I'm like, why did I buy that? And some stuff is like, okay, I'm glad I got that. And this tree is one of the, okay, I got that situations. So I'm using my Dermablend banana powder. This I have been using. I haven't picked up my Laura Mercier in so long because this stuff right here is like bae for me. It really is. I am loving this stuff. So as you all know, I don't bake. So as soon as I put the powder on, I'm basically brushing it off. Basically brushing it right off my face. So let me check up here. I'm not gonna pull. I gotta make sure that it does go into my line there. So for my powder bronzer, I'm actually using this NYX. It's a combination contour. So I just take the brown part and I use this to contour out my contoured parts. If I can find a good bronzer, I would actually bronze versus contouring. And let me brighten it up a little bit because that's too dark right there. But I would actually bronze instead of contouring. But every bronze color that I have, every color that I have is dark enough for contouring, but it's too dark for bronzing. So I need to find me something that's a little lighter for bronzing for my skin color. Something that's a little bit lighter. And then for my blush, I am going to use this MAC one, and it's called Hot Nights. So I'm not doing much today. I'm going to my daughter's game. She has a game and it starts in about 1 hour. So I have roughly 45 minutes to get out of here because it's about 15 minutes away where the game is. So I'm going to finish up and get out of here. And so I'm using Illuminati. I'm not a fan of loose highlighters, but I do have this Illuminati. This was the one, I don't know whether it's the one that Jackie Anna did with Artist Couture or if it's just one of their other ones, but I got it, I think I got it in a BoxyCharm box. I got it some kind, I think that's what it was, a BoxyCharm box or something, because I know I have never bought from Artist Couture. So I'm going to set my face, let it dry down a bit, and then I will be back to do my eyes. Okay, so I've set my face, and the palette that I'm going to use is the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. I got this in a BoxyCharm box, and as you can see, I have not used it at all. So let's see what we're gonna do with this bad baby. Y'all, I just realized I forgot to prime my eyes. Oh well. I never forget, but I forgot to prime my eyes today. I hope like heck my eyes don't crease since I forgot to prime them. And I still had time to prime the left one after I realized I didn't prime, but oh well, I didn't. So in my crease, I use this color right here called Storm Dust. Y'all, I got on here with every intention of having a conversation, and I don't have a conversation. I haven't had a conversation thus far. So let's converse. So I've had a lot of people to comment and ask me about me and the vegan. I've had a lot of people to ask me for tips and things like that. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I think my Instagram is linked below because I do post little clips of foods and things like that that I eat on Instagram. I do post them on Instagram, and I will continue to share on Instagram. I am going to share some stuff here on the channel because I've said that I would. So I am going to share some stuff here, but sometimes when I just think about it and I'm cooking or what have you, I just quickly post to Instagram. I just post to Instagram real quick. I would like some darkness in my crease, and I don't have a crease color in this. So I don't have a dark color in this. So I'm gonna darken up my crease with that. All right, so for my lid color, I'm gonna use this little shimmer color right here called Eternal Light. Because when I look at the colors that I'm putting on today, nothing else. I should have thought about, I don't have to be matchy with my eye looks, but I actually should have thought about the colors that I would be putting on today before I decided to use this palette. I just actually wanted to use this palette because I hadn't used it yet. But now this orange color up here kind of goes with what I'm wearing because my shirt is orange. So I do like this little shimmer color that I'm using on my lid. I'm going to my mom's house and I'm going to my future grandmother-in-law's house for Thanksgiving. But being the fact of me being vegetarian, I am going to make some dishes at home that I can eat so I can eat before I leave. So therefore I won't get to, I'm gonna add a little bit of this Storm Dust right here. So therefore I won't get over their houses and be limited with what I can eat. I'm actually making macaroni and cheese. I am making Brussels sprouts, vegetarian collard greens, and I am making a vegetarian cornbread dressing. That is what I am making here at home for myself. And I say for myself because Bae doesn't eat collard greens, nor macaroni, nor, well, Brussels sprouts, yeah, but nothing else. And my Bae is very picky about the dressing, so, you know, I know I'll eat the dressing by myself, unless my daughter eats some with me. And because she's eaten some of my vegetarian dishes, she's saying she doesn't want vegetarian on collard greens, She's saying she doesn't want vegetarian on Thanksgiving because she eats vegetarian enough. Like, whatever. Okay, so I did go and put on my mascara. While I do want to put on my Afrique from Juvia's Place, I feel like it's not going to exactly match me up today. So I am going to line my lip with this. I don't know, remember, if you all recall when I hauled this lip liner, BFF3 and BFF4 both had the same label, so I don't know which one this is I'm using. I don't know if this is, which one, what label did they have? They had, oh gosh. Yeah, both of them had BFF4 on there. So I just lined my whole entire lip with it. And then I'm going to use this Dose of Colors color called Flirty that I got from my aunt. It actually came in her BoxyCharm box. They didn't send me this color, and she said, get that shit away from me. That's what she said. She said because she knew it wasn't going to fit her. And I know it wouldn't because she's darker than me. And while I know a lot of darker people wear lipsticks these colors, sometimes some people, it just doesn't. Like certain lipsticks just don't look right on me. And I'm not the lightest of the light, and I'm not the darkest. But I put some lipstick on that's like, ugh, take that off. So everything doesn't fit everybody. I know in 2020, we try to make everything fit everybody, but the reality is it does not. So I am done. I am going to get dressed and I will be back. Okay, so this is the completed look. I thank you all so much for coming here to check out another video. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications because I do have a plethora of videos coming up. I'm like on record mode right now, so you don't want to miss out on any of the shenanigans that are coming your way. But in the meantime and in between time, I hope you ladies continue to be safe. Oh, and I'm sorry. Thank you again, like I said, and go ahead and like and leave me a comment below and let me know anything that you would like to see here on my channel. And now, let's hit that outro. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.